So this is a sound font I recently designed called Super Metroid, based on the Super Nintendo game Super Metroid. And I'll just walk you through some of those sounds, some of the sounds of this font. Now, the game is an amazing game, one of my favorites, definitely. The feel, the sense of exploration, the ability to go kind of through the game in different ways, and all of these special abilities that you don't need, but you can kind of discover. A lot of the atmosphere and feel actually had to do with the sounds, and it's kind of amazing what the sound designers were able to do with such limited, like a 56K file of synth banks that they kind of melded together, and then, you know, a few actual speech sounds, which are just at the beginning, not really in the game. So I will take you through the sound font. So we can start with, this is the background menu, so you can cycle through your sounds.
Metroid.
So Metroid. So boot that up. Now this is a Crystal Focus version 6.5. It is Crystal Focus 7.5 ready. So I'll just play a few boot sounds if they will honor me by going in some sort of sequence. Great. So those are some of the boot sounds. Now we can do some power-ons. So power-on 1 is the door open. And that's also power-off 1. Power-on 2. Power-on 3, these are longer sounds. These are, this is when you find a new item. Let me see if I can do the alternate power-off now. So there you had Samus dying, and here's power on number 4. Great. So I'll go through some swing sounds. And here's some clash sounds. And let's see, blaster sounds are actually the missile and super missiles. And we have force sounds, so this is the power bomb. And then we have the force sound number 2, which is a bomb array. Then we have the almighty Shinespark as the lockup. So that's the sound font on a Crystal Focus version 6. Version 7.5 also has
Metroid.
spin sounds and stab sounds and combo sounds. Combo sounds will take you into alternate kind of scenes of the game. The spins will be based off of screw attack, and the stabs will be kind of enhanced clashes with kind of like background sound effects added. So I tried to keep it similar to the sound of the game. So it's not like a hi-fi font. It's actually kind of, it sounds as much as it can like the game sounded when you played it. Um, and these sounds aren't, you know, kind of a hi-fi quality. They're more of a 16-bit era digital synthy type of sound. I also did include a few iSaber tracks. So if we go into iSaber, so I do have some other soundtracks in here, but I'll try to find one. Let's see. So this is Maridia. Let's see if we can find another one. This is kind of the main Metroid theme song. I think this is Crateria from Super Metroid. See if there are any other ones. Ah, here's the main opening scene. So I hope you enjoyed.